Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Toyota CHR. This is a 2019 hybrid version, and I'm just going to change the wiper blades, the front wiper blades in this car. The reason being, this one here is the passenger side, and when checking it, found that the little blade is broken, so it doesn't clean the wiper properly. I've already changed this one with a new one. And this type of blade, basically you press the little clip here and this slides out. Now the thing is, the blades that I got are this type. These are Henray, Germany. I never seen these blades particularly, but I'm sure they are popular in somewhere else in Germany. However, these blades came like this. So this is the new one for the driver's side in this case, and it came like that. So we need to hook the correct adapter. So you have different adapters for the different types of blades that you may have. So in this case scenario I need to use this one, but this particular adapter came in this little box here. So the thing is, I didn't purchase these, they were already in the car. I guess the owner bought them to change, so this is how it came. So I just have to put it together, but you could just buy the blades that already come with the correct adapter. You can buy some Bosch or Hella, which come with the correct adapter, so you don't have to be guessing all of these. One side is a 16-inch. So that there, 16-inch for the passenger side, and for the driver's side here in the UK is a 26-inch. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug this in here. This blade has to sit like that in the front, so I'm going to plug that little adapter in there like so, and now it's ready to be fitted. So let's go and fit it. So here's our wiping arm here. Pull it up, and then this is what we have. So you want to press that there, press that little square, and at the same time bring this out, slide it out, and that should come out. But be very, very careful not to drop this metal arm onto the windscreen. And I'm changing that one as well because it's, you can see, broken. Now we get the new one and we slide it in there like so, and it clips into place, and that's it. So obviously same procedure for the other side, but as I mentioned, it'll be easier if you get the correct arms to begin with the correct adapter. I mean, it'll be easier to fit, and also it might feel a bit more secure than the ones I just fitted. They feel a little bit loose, but they are still quite secure. But anyway, it's fairly easy to change. So having said that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.